Good afternoon. I'm Jonathan Husbeck. And I'm Tanner Lunsford, and we are the co-founders of BioWhole. Today we are coming to you with the product AIPRIP, the world's newest superfood. We, BioWhole, as well as our partners, Seven Bridges and Cisco, believe in our co-op mission statement that with the power of connection, our mission is to serve the greater good of the world population. We want to serve the people and give back to the world that gave us so much. We plan to do so by creating and distributing cutting-edge technological advances in the fast-growing genetic modification as well as medical fields. As we are a three-company partnership, we plan to utilize each of our niche services that provide AIPRIP to not only prospering countries, but to developing countries all around the world. We would like to thank our partners for believing and sharing in our mission. A current overview of our product development. We are expected to release our product AIPRIP into market in August of 2020. The recent progress we have is we've completed the AIPRIP genetic sequencing, we've started clinical trials for AIPRIP, and we have a patent pending for genetically modifying technology and gene sequencing configuration for AIPRIP. Some of the biggest risks we have right now are there's unknown future health concerns related to the use of our product. So a brief overview of our product AIPRIP is that it was genetically engineered by us and our staff of CRISPR certified researchers. We use this CRISPR technology to cut into the bean, edit its DNA strands and its genes, insert it with beta carotene, vitamin C, folate, iron, and other nutritions, and we then reproduced this super bean in our personal lab in St. Paul. We then tried a month-long trial with us and our team to see if this bean actually would have results of better meal plans and better nutrients in the bean itself. I personally use this bean to help for weight gain by changing my meal plan from broccoli and other greens to AIPRIP instead, and over a month-long trial I actually gained 5 pounds on this super bean. So after our personal month-long trial, we open this up now to clinical trials. We have a partnership with Seven Bridges, which is a leading biotech analytics company that we use to help with our clinical trials and our data analysis. They help us bring this product to market faster and quicker, more efficiently. And our second accomplishment is that these clinical trials have come with no major setbacks on this product. We started off with a small clinical trial and went well, moved up to 100 people, and now we're currently at around 3,000, 4,000 test subjects, and everything is going positively. Our next progression is on the business side of AIPRIP. With our worldwide distribution, two accomplishments are that our partner Seven Bridges is helping us communicate with the scientific communities around the world and helping us get the word out about AIPRIP and its nutritional values. And our other accomplishment is that our partnership with Cisco, the world's largest food distributor, is helping us get this product not only to prosperous countries like America, but to developing countries in Africa and Asia. Our areas of risk that need attention are the distribution of AIPRIP is not available to all countries in need of this nutritional product. Also, our sponsorship agreement with Feed My Starving Children has been delayed due to disagreements with the distribution methods. In a way, it's sort of our distribution methods versus theirs, in which one is better and will fit our needs. Another risk we see is there's possible susceptibility to certain airborne diseases in developing countries, including mumps, measles, and tuberculosis. Now, we are not saying for certain that if you consume our product, you're going to contract one of these airborne diseases, but we are making aware that with consumption of AIPRIP, there is a higher susceptibility or higher risk to getting airborne diseases like mumps, measles, and tuberculosis. Our next slides will contain a timeline featuring the evolution of BioWhole and the distribution of AIPRIP. Back in August 1st of 2010, we started our first clinical trial. Now, 9 years later, we are expected to finally be FDA approved and have our patent rights approved as well. 3 months after that, we would like to open AIPRIP to Whole Foods market stores to receive positive and negative feedback and determine what the demand on the supply is. Then 7 months after that, we would like to release AIPRIP to big whole name food stores like Target, Cub, and Walmart. And then after that, in February 1st of 2021, we would like to begin distributing with Feed My Starving Children and Cisco to deliver AIPRIP to these developing countries all over the world.
So to reiterate what Tanner said in some previous slides, some key next steps for BioWhole are by August 2020, we would like to release AIPRIP into the open market, starting with brick and mortar stores in North America, like Cubs, Whole Foods, and Target. By February 2021, we'd like to close on a partnership deal with Feed My Starving Children to be able to distribute AIPRIP to the developing countries. And then by May of 2021, we'd like to examine the results in the developing countries. The study would consist of research on distribution methods, product efficiency, and potential AIPRIP farming locations, so those third world or developing countries can become self-sufficient and produce AIPRIP.
To wrap up, here are a few of our goals within the next 10 years. 1 is to provide and supply AIPRIP to all countries across the world. 2, proceeds go to pay for farms in developing countries to produce AIPRIP. And 3, support research of GMOs and create a good ethical reputation for them in the scientific community. Thank you, and support AIPRIP.
Thank you.